my name's Graham. I'm part of the PBU sort of back office and support team, if you like. PBU's been trading for coming up for 20 years nearly now. We are a sort of fully accredited ICP multi-utility installation contractor specialising in horizontal directional drilling. And we use trackway matting. We own and hire out our own trackway mat. We've got our own supply of trackway mats, and we use those as part of the horizontal directional drilling process as well. We do a lot of work in agricultural, rural areas, agricultural land. The fact that we are working over multiple fields with the trackway mats means that we need to be careful from sort of contamination from field to field effectively. So it's important for us that the trackway mats that we use are effectively cleaned before we reuse them and deploy them in different areas. So Q Crane cleaning equipment came recommended to us. We were aware that Q Crane were already in the market of producing machines which would clean smaller mats. So obviously we embarked on a discussion around about how we could work together effectively to come up with a solution to clean the larger, heavier mats. So yeah, effectively this mat cleaning of this size hadn't been done previously. So yeah, it was effectively a design from the ground up based on their experience and knowledge to produce this solution, which effectively cleaned the boards to our standards. So before we had this system, it was all pretty much a manual system. So we just had effectively a couple of guys with a pressure washer, basically hosing them down, and then obviously cleaning up the debris thereafter. Typically around sort of 40 or 50 mats a day we could get done. So obviously now with the new system, that's greatly improved the efficiency. It means we can effectively clean more mats with fewer people, and it's a safer process as well because it's all done through the machine. So I think about 200 mats I think we can get done in a day. Yeah, and it's a variable speed system as well. So if the mats aren't quite as heavily soiled, we can speed up the system, and then we can get more mats done. So yeah, it's a pretty effective system. Prior to us using the Goliath rotor wash system, we were cleaning about 40 mats a day using 2 people and a telehandler. Now we've got the system in place, we're looking at more like 25 mats per hour, and it can be operated with 1 person. So it's quite a big saving on labour, and obviously it's a more efficient system as well. Yes, so certainly the system is less labour intensive. You're sort of away from the boards effectively, so there's no risk of a board falling on anybody or anything like that. So yes, it's effectively a safer system. Like I say, it uses less labour, and the mats are coming out cleaner as well.